420 RC Jones here again. So last video I was showing you how to mount these hubs onto the tires. So when I got them onto here, I noticed there's quite a bit of wobble here. So I have these pivot balls, and hopefully these will help rectify the issue. So figure I'd take you home, see how it's done. Maybe I'll figure out something. Maybe you'll figure out something new. Alright, first thing you gotta do is get your tires off. Let's go and do that. Let's not lose anything. This body off. So let's see here. Notice that this here is kind of looks pretty sharp, and on this side, this one in there, you can see that. Yeah, that's pretty gone too. So we're gonna try to rectify those two issues. One here and one really bad one there. So let's see what we're gonna need. I'm assuming here a 2mm. Yep. It's a good idea to have a magnetic bowl catch any screws that fall out. So, that should just pop right on out. Yep. Oh yeah, that was pretty bad. Look at that. Nothing left of it. Here's a part number if you need one. If I can get that in frame. There we go. Look how chunky the new one is compared to this one here. Yeah. So what I do is get that guy out. Let's pop this guy back in it. Now because this chunkiness is going to be a little harder to pop in, so oh yeah. Needle nose. Yes. There you go. See, it's allowed to move around, but it's not going side to side. Let's get some light. Yeah, that would help. Come on, because she's so brand spanking new. Or do I have the wrong one in there? These are the guys. comments if there's an easier way to do this. Try anything. Grab that stuff, you know? There we go. Up a little bit. There we go. So she's in. Make sure she goes all the way through. There we go. Thread her back in. There we go. All right. One down. That side looks pretty good. Let's get this one out now. Yeah, it's a little bit of play on there. I'm trying to get on the lip of the inside and pop her out next. It's no good now, no matter what. Stubborn. Don't want to hit this on anything. What is this guy doing, huh? No hammer needed. Oh, look at that, eh? There we go. Stubborn. There we go. You guys Loctite this, by the way. It's going into plastic, so. Hold anymore. These guys need servicing while I'm here. You're doing your job. You're going up and down. Let's see. Okay. Tighten up while I'm here. Yeah. There we go. You know, just taking a quick look and see. Other than that, she looks alright. Yep, just doing their job. They're not going side to side. Doing their job. Alright, let's put her back together. One. I like to keep it close by just in case, you know? Never be too careful. Snug, not too tight. Try out this guy here again. All right. Wow, seems a whole lot better than before. It's not as wobbly as it was. Not sure if you could tell on camera, but yeah, for me, feeling it, yeah, it feels better. One way to find out, let's try this thing out, okay? And I'll get a video of that. All right, till next time. If there's anything else you guys want to see, let me know. Any tips, any tricks? Yeah, just let me know in the comments. Till then, to the next one. See you later.